Welcome to my allotment diary for the third week of August 2019. It's rained a lot this week with some severe winds, and I'm looking after my daughter's dog. While they are away on holiday. This entails walking to the plot, and Sunday morning noticed a new wicket gate in the direction of Glyndebourne, on the coast, to which my attention was drawn to the farmer's sweet corn and how this compared with mine, only to find mine had suffered slight damage in yesterday's high winds. I thought the comparison between the two was similar. Back on the plot, a site inspection reveals the only other damage was to the temporary plastic infill to the polytunnel door, which for security reasons required immediate attention. This would have to be a temporary repair, as for a permanent repair, materials will be required to be purchased. Temporary repair complete, it's on the scheduled task that I harvest the spring planted onions. Not as large as the autumn sown onions, which my wife says are too large, but at a size she normally buys at the supermarket. And with all this wind and rain we're experiencing, it's best to take advantage of this odd dry day. The onions were taken back home, wrapped up in a baker's bread tray and left in the garage to dry. An attempt made to continue the rabbit fence trench, but with the intermittent showers, and some of them quite heavy, this is as far as I progressed this week. I need to bring my post extractor to get this out. A job I could do in this showery weather was to fit out the toolbox. As the lid gave some modicum of protection from the light rain, and the dog was okay. I used butterfly bolts to secure the timber bearers, and to make them work they have to be inserted in their holes. Butterfly bolts added, folded back and threaded so they just touch the timber bearer. All three now in place, we can now enlarge the pilot holes take the butterfly bolts. I tried to take shots of fixing the bearers, having them bolted in position, but couldn't get an angle with the camera in the box, and I failed. So I'm showing the next stage using pallet timbers to clad the inside of the box. You can observe where I've already fixed hooks and clips to hold tools in position. A clever person would sit down and work out the best positions for equipment. Where I'm positioning the tools as I use them. I use the fork most, so that's the first to fix. Use it, take it to the box, fix the hook, next. And this is a spade, and the process repeats, so ad infinitum. And this is as far as I've got using the available space, which has now run out, hence this task of fitting bearers and a pallet wall. Slap bang in the middle of the pallet wall, I am positioning the bow saw, which I only use probably 3 times a year, so other tools can go over it, and the same rule applies to the branch crupper. The rain has started to come down a bit heavier now, so it's time to pack up. The long-handled tools are a bit of a problem. You will drop them in loose like this. Clip them to the soffit of the lid. This will made a timber line into the lid. The handles are too long. Cut them down. Come on. And they're fixed diagonally. It's questions. I think we'll answer those problems on another day. When it's a rainy period, such as this week, interspaced with the odd dry day, you're thinking about those dry day jobs, such as lifting the onions. But it's not as easy as that. Oh no. There are jobs which have to be done at home, not done to your priorities. Those jobs which must be done before the weekly washing is hung out, such as cut the grass and prune the pyracanthus, not forgetting the honeysuckle. Well, that's it for now. Another week over, and it was the official allotment week, but too much wind and rain to put on a special edition. How did you get on with your allotment week? Did you have a special event? Forecast for next week is looking good. Hey, don't get too comfortable, sunshine. You're going home tomorrow. Noticed our plots are filling up with tenants. I think there's only one vacant. It seems more ladies are taking up the plots. Is this a national trend? Please share and comment, and thank you for watching. Please do like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. And when subscribing, please do remember to press on the little bell to get an alert every time I upload a new video. So thanks very much for watching. Take care and bye.